It's time to take a look at the Luminox XS3581BO SF, a new arrival at Watch Depot and the very first Swiss-made watch to be featured on our channel. This beauty has been built in collaboration with the Navy SEAL Foundation and continues the long-standing partnership between Luminox and the US Navy SEALs. The all-black finish looks fantastic, especially the coarse matte finish used on the dial. I'm also a big fan of the unidirectional bezel. It has a nice technical look with some number inlays just a few shades darker than the dial. The case and strap have more of the same ruggedness with a really appealing texture flowing through the band design. Overall, it's just hard to fault the aesthetics of this chronograph. If you're curious about the size, this timepiece has a 44mm diameter and a 14mm height, and that's pretty good for a diving watch. But if there's one thing you want to see on a Luminox watch, it's their famous light technology on the hands and bezel insert. This feature will stay active 24/7 and does not require an external light source to charge. This is what makes Luminox's technology so adept for Navy SEAL missions: reliability and easy use. As you'd hope, the rest of the watch's performance keeps up with the signature visuals. This diver can withstand 200 meters pressure and comes with a durable and super comfortable rubber strap. The case has been crafted in a signature Carbinox material, which has great strength and a rigid feel that gives you confidence this watch isn't going to break. Despite its hardness, this Carbinox case is also lighter than most case materials, and you can feel the difference. As this is a quartz chronograph, you're going to get a lot of use out of this timepiece. And I'm thankful that this stopwatch functionality gives me more reason to take this wristwatch out. This timepiece showcases what the brand is all about: quality, technology, and undeniable style.